1. The CRT TV cathode ray tube. The CRT TV. This is the massive, incredibly heavy glass box that sat in every living room before the year 2000. Instead of flat digital pixels, it relied on a completely empty vacuum tube hidden in the back of the heavy plastic casing. Inside this tube, a high-voltage electron gun rapidly fired an invisible beam of electricity directly at the front glass screen. When the electric beam struck the special phosphor coating on the inside of the glass, it briefly glowed red, green, or blue, painting the moving image line by line. 2. The plasma TV, the first flat screen. The plasma TV. This was the revolutionary technology that finally allowed families to hang their televisions directly on the wall. Instead of a bulky electron gun, a flat plasma screen is made of millions of microscopic glass pockets sandwiched between two flat glass panels. Every single tiny pocket is filled with neon and xenon gas. When the TV's computer sends a tiny electrical shock into a specific pocket, the gas instantly reacts and turns into glowing plasma, emitting a bright, colorful light directly toward the viewer. 3. The LCD TV liquid crystal display. The LCD TV? This technology completely replaced heavy plasma screens by being much cheaper and significantly lighter. An LCD screen does not actually create its own light. Instead, it relies on a row of thick, fluorescent light bulbs shining constantly from the very back of the TV. In front of those bright lights is a highly complex layer of liquid crystals. When an electrical current hits these crystals, they act exactly like microscopic window blinds, physically twisting open to let the backlight through, or twisting shut to block the light and create dark shadows. 4. The LED TV, the modern standard. The LED TV. Despite the confusing marketing name, this is actually just a standard LCD TV with one major, highly efficient upgrade. Instead of using thick, energy-draining fluorescent tubes to light up the liquid crystals from behind, engineers completely replaced the backlights with a massive grid of microscopic light-emitting diodes. Because these LED lights are incredibly tiny and generate very little heat, manufacturers were suddenly able to build televisions that were less than an inch thick and used almost zero electricity. 5. The OLED TV perfect contrast. The OLED TV, standing for Organic Light Emitting Diode, this is widely considered the absolute pinnacle of modern home theater technology. Unlike LED screens that require a massive backlight to constantly shine through the pixels, every single one of the 8 million pixels on an OLED screen creates its own independent light. This means when a movie scene calls for the dark black of outer space, the TV simply turns the electricity completely off to those specific pixels, creating a true, perfect black that older screens simply cannot physically replicate. 6. The QLED TV Quantum Dot. The QLED TV. This is a highly advanced, ultra-bright screen technology primarily engineered by Samsung to compete directly with OLED. It takes a standard LED backlight system and inserts a revolutionary layer of microscopic nanocrystals called quantum dots. When the backlight hits these incredibly tiny, scientifically engineered dots, they aggressively multiply the light, creating completely pure, hyper-saturated colors. Because it still relies on a heavy backlight, it cannot achieve perfect black levels, but it produces the absolute brightest, most colorful image possible in a sunlit living room.